I don't know what today has already asked of you, but if your nervous system feels fried, you feel burnt out, overstimulated, running on fumes, this is 14 minutes where nothing else gets to ask anything of you. You don't have to have earned this moment. You don't have to have gotten everything else done first. For the next 14 minutes, nothing to fix, nothing to prove, just you, your breath, and this ground beneath you. Bring your hands together in prayer pose in front of the heart. Lift your hands high up to the heavens. Exhale, release. Bring the fingertips to the earth. Bring the hands back in prayer pose. Come up on your knees, stretching up. Bring the hands down into goalpost pose, and then extend up again. Make this like a moving meditation. Breathing in and exhaling and letting go. Now inhale the hands high up to the heavens and exhale, twisting open towards the right. Then inhale back to center. Exhale, open towards the left. Moving with the breath. And then bring the hands in prayer pose in front of the heart center. Coming through tabletop. Moving into cat-cow. Use the breath to take the energy, this new energy, through the spine. Let yourself release anything you're holding on to. Let the breath guide you. Releasing and letting go. Now take a twist from side to side. Stretching, arching the side of the body as you bring the gaze from right to left. Coming back to center, stretching the hands forward and relaxing into puppy pose. Releasing the tension and the tightness in the neck and the shoulders. Let the breath create new energy, releasing the stress, the tension, the tightness. Coming through tabletop when you're ready, and pushing up and back to downward dog. Opening the body. Pedal out the legs. Releasing any tension, anything you're carrying, let it go. Long, deep breathing as you stretch into your downward dog. When you're ready, come through tabletop and then down onto your belly. Extend the arms out wide into this gentle cobra, inhaling up and exhaling down. Let the breath guide you. Make it like a moving meditation. Extending into the full expression of cobra and then release. Come through tabletop, back into downward dog. Come back through tabletop. making hip circles and moving the body intuitively, listening to that body intuition. And if you're doing the hip circles, when you're ready, take it the opposite way. The hips hold on to so much stress, years of just getting through things. Let it all go. Come into a low lunge, bring the right knee forward, extending the arms high up to the heavens. Long, deep breathing. Bring the hands down on either side of the right foot, twisting open towards the right. Stretching and releasing. Then bring both hands on the earth again, extending the right leg into runner's stretch, and then inhale back to lunge. Moving with the breath, creating this flexibility, opening the hips and the hamstring. And then fold into that deep hamstring stretch. Relax into the breath, release and let go. Come through low lunge again when you're ready, and then move into pigeon pose. Folding forward or coming to the point of resistance that works for you today. Breathing into the hip, letting go of anything you've been carrying. Just release and let go. When you're ready, gently release, moving back into downward dog. Pedal out the feet if that feels right, making any micro movements that your body intuition is calling for. And then coming through tabletop again, moving into lunge on the left side, low lunge. Inhale the arms high up to the heavens. Long, deep breathing. And then release the hands on the earth, twisting open towards the left. Use the breath to go deeper, and use the exhale to release. Come back through low lunge and move into that hamstring stretch, low lunge, hamstring stretch. Move with the breath. And when you're ready, folding into it, stretching the hamstring, the hip, releasing and letting go. Come back through low lunge. Move into pigeon pose on the left side. Moving mindfully so you stay present and allowing the breath to guide you to going deeper into the pose, using the inhale to expand and the exhale to release. When you're ready, gently release, moving back into downward dog, making any micro movements that your body intuition is calling for. Continue that long, deep breathing. Stretching and releasing. And when you're ready, moving through tabletop. Coming into a seated position with the legs extended out in front of you. Anchor the sit bones. Inhale the arms high up to the heavens. Exhale, fold forward. Taking the gaze inward, connecting the mind to the heart, quieting the mind, and tapping into the desires of the heart. Gently release on the next inhale. Come to a straight spine. Bring yourself into a comfortable seated position. Inhale the shoulders, shrugging them high up to the ears, releasing any tension and tightness you're holding, any weight of the world. Let it go. Let it roll off and release it to the earth. And when you're ready, shrug the shoulders high up to the ears. Deep, deep inhale, squeezing everything in your body as you hold it. And then gently release. Coming into neck circles, moving the neck the way it feels most comfortable for you. Releasing the tension, the tightness you're holding. And when you're ready, take it the opposite way. Bring the head to center when you feel complete. And let's just move into stillness. Rest your hands wherever they feel most comfortable. No more cues, no more directions, just you, your breath, and whatever quiet lives underneath everything you are carrying. This is where you might feel something bigger than yourself. Welcome it, own it, trust your intuition, own your steadiness. Trust the process. Believe that everything is always happening for your highest good. And stay here as long as you wish to be still. If it feels right, bring one hand on the heart, one hand on your belly. And with a full deep inhale and a long exhale, releasing any last little bit of tension, tightness, stickiness in the body, mind, or spirit. Bring your hands in prayer pose in front of the heart. With a little smile on the face, feeling the quietness in your mind, the peace in your heart, and the flexibility in the body. From my heart to yours, always wishing you peace, light, love, and joy. Namaste.